Meteorologist Bobby Deskins here on our Sunday evening. Just about quarter after 8 o'clock, we were preempted by golf today. So I kind of wanted to show you the radar and let you know what's going on out there. So thanks for tuning in for tonight. Don't forget, if you're watching on YouTube, you can find my YouTube page as well too. Just search for Bobby Deskins Weather on YouTube and go ahead and like and subscribe there. Of course, my Facebook page is Bobby Deskins Weather as well. All right, let's talk about us kind of being in the middle of all of this. Isn't this wild? We really need the rain, right? The central and eastern part of the state has seen some. Eastern Polk County, Hardy, DeSoto, especially Highlands County, and you can see over on the East Coast. And then there's another batch trying to come in from the Gulf of Mexico, which would be great. And I think we do get some of it, but I think a lot of it's going to fall apart before it gets here. The water that's over right now is actually warmer than the water that's right along our coast. And so there is going to be some sinking of the air, some stability in the air mass, which is going to make some of that rain fall apart. But let's talk about it. So, yeah, pretty good little batch of showers and storms out there right now. Again, I do think some of this holds together, especially Tampa southward, to give us a chance for some rain later tonight. So as you're going to bed on your Sunday night, probably see a little bit of rain. It's raining down in Fort Myers right now. Here's the forecast model saying by 9 o'clock, still firing up some showers for inland locations. I can't ignore this. Southeastern Polk County, Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands County, some rain. But this is that batch coming in here, and you can see how much it's thinned out. And as we go in further, yeah, by midnight, there's a wave coming through, but there's just not much with it. Now, there is a cold front coming through, and the front by tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. is right here. Okay, and so as long as that's coming through, we will have a rain chance overnight tonight. But then we'll start off with a few low clouds first thing in the morning, and then things will be clearing out by the time we get to the afternoon hours. Here's the look at that, and you can see just a beautiful afternoon with the rain all down towards South Florida. And even that, though, will dry up. You say rain over South Florida after they got 26 inches of rainfall almost in Fort Lauderdale. You know, they kind of flinch a little bit. But it is going to be an absolutely beautiful day coming for tomorrow and Tuesday as well. So here's the deal. Some showers and storms along the coast for tonight, and then gradually kind of falling apart. Temperatures slowly down through the 70s. But notice the wind. See, it's out of the west, west-northwest, and then notice it goes north-northwest by 7 a.m. That's the cold front coming through, and so you can even see that 20% chance for a shower between 3 and 5 a.m. That is the actual front itself. Now, tomorrow, look at that, only in the upper 70s to a couple low 80s out there. And what you don't see here is that the humidity is going to feel a whole lot better as well, too. It's not a lot of wind, but it'll be a nice little breeze out of the north-northwest. Enough of a wind to cause small craft exercise caution advisories up to 20 to 25 knots at times, 2 to 4 foot seas, and choppy out on the bay for your Monday if you want to take the boat out. What's happening is high pressure is building in, and that's going to push the rain out to the south and the east and basically dominate our weather all week long. So this is taking you out through Wednesday night and Thursday. It's by that time that the high slides off the east coast, and then we'll start to see a little bit more of a flow coming in out of the southeast like this. And that'll be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so things will warm back up pretty quickly. An east wind you can see here, that's a warm wind for us. And in fact, you know, we've got north and northeast winds through Tuesday, and then after that, by Wednesday, we're already starting with an easterly wind. And so temperatures will just basically be warming up, and an east and southeast wind has more humidity with it as well. So that's coming back. So look, it's the middle of April. Enjoy this cool down. No rain for this 5 days coming up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I did put 10% on Friday. We'll see if the models try and see a little bit of southeast flow bringing in an afternoon shower or two. But temps, big news. I mean, we're below average highs for tomorrow, which is something we have not been able to say much. But you can see quickly warming up to the mid-80s Tuesday and then upper 80s. This is the GFS model. It's automated here, but yeah, still mid and upper 80s most of the upcoming work week ahead once we get to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Dew points, again, that's what's going to feel so nice. This number in the mid-60s, you feel the humidity. It's been upper 60s to even low 70s, which is pretty humid. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday, dew points still in the low 60s. That's comfortable. So this week is going to feel really, really nice. I'm trying to do some stuff in the garage. I've missed winter, of course, to get it done, but this is a good-looking week to get it done. So I'm not sweating too bad out there in the garage with all the humidity. There's your 7-day forecast. You can see that, yeah, rain chance stays low. Going to go 20% on Saturday, 30% on Sunday. The bottom line is it does look like, I wonder if this is going to pop up. I haven't got this set up. It does look like it's going to be cooler in the eastern half of the United States through the rest of the month of April, right? And when you see this, this means that there's a trough there, right? You got the storm track doing something like this, and that'll tend to bring storms in and across. We're kind of in the middle here. You see Tampa South, where it almost looks like it's going to be warmer than average, but I do think this will actually start to bring in a little bit of moisture as well, and this takes us. This is not below. Don't worry about that. But this says a slight chance that we get actually above average rain chances here as we go through the rest of the month. So that's really good. We would take that. Very, very serious drought right now. Most areas are in what's called a severe drought. We have some areas that are even worse than that down in Southwest Florida. All right, guys, look, that is it. Oh, what did I do there? Enjoy it. Hopefully, we'll get some of these showers and storms to hold together. I will be on at 11 o'clock on 1010.